Wow, great question. What happens if you're a passenger in a vehicle where they cannot determine who's at fault for the accident? Well, what you hope for is that both vehicles involved have auto insurance. That way, no matter what, you could tap into the one driver's policy for 50% of your claim, and you could tap into the vehicle's policy that you're in for the other 50% of your claim. Because you didn't do anything wrong. You're an innocent passenger. So it's either the fault of the vehicle that you were in, or it's the other driver's fault. But if they can't tell, what often happens is each insurance company will decide to pay for 50% of the passenger's claim. Keep in mind, it also depends on what state your accident happened in. I'm speaking right now from the perspective of a comparative negligent state like Texas and many others. The unfortunate part of your question is that you mentioned that the vehicle that you were in did not have insurance. That means that you can only go after the other driver's vehicle policy to pay for the full 100% of your claim. But as I mentioned, if there's not enough evidence to show that that vehicle is 100% at fault, they're likely only going to take 50% responsibility, and that means that whatever your offer is on your claim is going to be slashed in half. Now, of course, if you get some evidence or you're able to really put on a good case, maybe you can get them to take 70% or 80%, and then your settlement will be reflected by that number. You could also talk to your medical providers like you do in every case, even if it's 100% at fault. But you could talk to your medical providers about taking an even bigger medical bill reduction. That way, you can get everything paid for and still put a little bit of money in your pocket. As far as the FMLA aspect of this, it is good that you have them paying for some of your bills right now. But at the end of the day, they're going to want to get reimbursed through the auto accident settlement. However, you do have a little bit of leverage where you can say to them that you were not able to recover as much as you could have if it was 100% at fault, and maybe they'd be willing to not take back the full amount that they paid out. Hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime, or if you'd like a free case evaluation, you could call or text 832-925-2030. God bless you and have a great day.